Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basic. In today's video we are going to learn how to turn off slash effect on Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, make sure your internet connection is stable and you're logged into your Candy Crush Soda account. Then after, open your Candy Crush Soda. So at the bottom right, immediately after opening, you can see at the bottom left corner, you can see setting icon, tap on it, setting or gear icon, tap on it. Again, tap on the similar icon. There you can see the option of flashing, turn off flashing visual effect. At the third, you can see it, tap on it. Here you can see your cross, but when you tap on it, it turns to tick and green light comes. So thank you for watching this video. Like this, you can turn off your visual flashing effect. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.